Fireberry CRM tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Fireberry, a versatile CRM platform designed to streamline your business operations. Whether you're new to CRM systems or transitioning from another platform, this tutorial will help you get started with Fireberry. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go onto fireberry.com. From there, you'll be able to create an account for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. You're just going to tap on Get Started for free. After you have done that, you'll be able to create your account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, the first thing I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on the settings cog. After you have tapped on the settings cog, from there you can tap on company logo and you'll be able to upload your company logo. You can also tap on company info and from here you can update your company info. After you have updated your company info, I want you to select users. After selecting users, you can tap on invite users and from here you can add your different employees or persons that will also be using this CRM. And if we were to go onto their paid plan, from there you can also use their e-sign feature and numerous other features, but you'll need to upgrade to use them. Before doing that, I recommend that you test out their free plan as we are doing now. After you have added your employees and you have updated your company information, the next thing we'll be doing is adding contacts. To add contacts, you'll go over to the top left hand corner of the navigation bar and you're going to select contacts and you will see some sample contacts right here. You're going to tap on add in the top right hand corner and you can put in the contact info. So you'll be able to add full name, title, as you can see right here, their first name, last name, and all of the necessary information scrolling down. Once you're finished doing that, you'll tap on save. After you have added your contacts, if you would like to create a deal, you can tap on deals from the top navigation bar. After tapping on deals, you can see a sample deal right here that we could select and you can see how it would look. So you can see the deal details and so on. To create a new deal, all you need to do is tap on add in the top right hand corner. From there, you can give the deal a name. You can also choose the stage that it is in, whether it is in qualification stage, proposal better yet, negotiation or so on. Once you are finished setting up the deal, you'll tap on save at the bottom of the page. You can also use this platform, as you can see, to monitor the different phases. So you can see the deals that are in open, the qualification stage, proposal stage, as you can see right there, and you can see negotiation stage, closed and won deals, and closed and lost deals. So you can see the open deals right here. You can select the open deal. After you have selected the open deal, from there, if you would like to move it on, you can also do that. So we can tap on the pencil icon right there. Then after you have tapped on the pencil icon, you can tap on qualification to move it to the qualification stage. Then you'll tap on save. Now after you have done that, if we were to go into the qualification stage, you can see the deal right here. And again, we can move on the deal by tapping right there, then selecting qualification. And you can move it onto proposal stage. And that's how you'll be able to move the deals or proposals through each phase. And if it is a case that you would like to use this platform to also create tasks, you can do that by tapping on tasks from the top navigation bar. And you can create a new task by tapping on add in the top right hand corner. Then you can give it a subject name. You can choose the status, whether it is open or completed. Then you can assign the task to someone. So you could tap right here and you could choose the username. You can also select the due date and you can scroll down and add details about the task. So you can add a quick description. Then you could add the details and you can tap on save to share it with that person that you have assigned it to. And you'll also be able to monitor the different tasks going through the different phases. So you can use this platform to communicate with your team members. For example, you can see the open tasks, your reminders, and your tasks for this month and so on by going over to the left hand column. You can also tap on calendar from the top navigation bar. And from here, you will be able to view your calendar and see the different tasks and objectives that you have scheduled for that particular day. And if we were to tap on dashboards from the top navigation bar, from here, you will be able to view all of your reports, as you can see right here. And you can view different analytics or reports by going over to the top left-hand corner. We could tap on sales performance, and you can see how it looks right there. And you can view all of the different reports in this section. And if you would like to set up any automations, you can tap on automations. Then from there, we could tap on add in the top right-hand corner. You could give the automation a name, so you can choose the object to which this automation should be applied, and you can select it right there. Then we'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you can choose what you would like to trigger this automation to start. So you can tap on add event. So if you would like an automation to be created whenever an account is created or updated, you can select that. Then you can see if, and you can select what you would like to happen if, and you can see potential income. You can see the different fields that you can choose from. So let's say potential income, then we can fill in the income right there, and we'll tap on apply. And then you can tap on add to choose the action that you would like to see happen. So whether you like to create a record, update record, or so on, you can select that. And you can see it right there. And then you could choose the field over here, and you'll just tap on save. And that's how you'll be able to create an automation. As you can see right there, it has been saved. So that's how you'll be able to create an automation. You can also tap on journeys, and from here you can create different journey by giving the journey a name. And if you would like access to even more features, you can tap on more, and from here you'll be able to access all of the features quite quickly. And that's it when it comes on to Fireberry CRM. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Fireberry, a versatile CRM platform designed to streamline your business operations. Whether you're new to CRM systems or transitioning from another platform, this tutorial will help you get started with Fireberry. Now let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go onto fireberry.com. From there, you will be able to create an account for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. You're just going to tap on get started for free. After you have done that, you'll be able to create your account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this.